Listen, if you're not using AI to make money online in 2025, then you're already falling behind. Because right now, people are earning thousands of dollars on Fiverr and Upwork without doing the hard work themselves. How? They're using AI tools to do 90% of the work and getting paid like pros. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start earning real income using AI, even if you have no skills, no past experience, and no portfolio. Just watch till the end, follow the blueprint, and you'll be ready to launch your AI-powered freelancing business today. First, pick a service that AI can handle for you. Don't overthink it. Here are the easiest and highest paying options. Logo design using Canva AI. YouTube video scripts using ChatGPT. Voiceovers using ElevenLabs. Blog writing with Jasper AI. Social media posts using Notion AI. Choose one service. That's it. Not 10. 1. Now, when someone gives you an order, don't panic. You don't have to write, speak, or design anything yourself. Need a script? ChatGPT will write it in seconds. Need a voiceover? ElevenLabs will speak it for you. Need a logo? Canva AI will generate it instantly. You're not doing the job, you're just managing AI. Now create your freelancing profile. Use this title format. I will create professional, your service, using advanced AI tools, fast delivery. Upload 2 to 3 sample results that AI made. Boom. You're officially a seller. Want clients faster? Go to Facebook groups or Reddit and simply type, "Who needs help with YouTube scripts, logos, or blog posts?" Reply to them privately and offer your service cheap for the first 3 clients, just to get reviews. After that, you raise your price. So stop scrolling and start selling. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to upgrade you. Use it smartly, and 2025 can be the year you fire your boss. If you want more AI money hacks like this, make sure to subscribe, because in the next video, I'm revealing 3 secret AI tools no one is talking about yet. Let's build your AI income together.